how to keep TikTok live playing in the background. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you keep your TikTok live playing in the background. So let's get started. First, as you have to just open your settings. From the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From the app section, find out the application TikTok. After you find it, tap on that. From TikTok section, if you find any options like PIP or picture in picture mode, simply you'll have to just turn on that. And after you turn on that option, you'll be able to work or run your TikTok live while you are closing or minimizing your TikTok app. Also, you'll have to just turn on the option for background app refresh. Simply you'll have to just turn on this option also. After you make these changes on your TikTok settings, you'll be able to play or keep the TikTok live playing in the background. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.